Tired of the Kaillera Client Library DLL error happening during a loading screen? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer. Let's optimize your gaming environment and kill that pop-up for good. I recommend the automated system scan for Kaillera Client Library to finish your setup in seconds. This is the Kaillera Client Library, the Kaillera Network Client. It manages localized unmanaged, localized peer-to-peer, localized networking for arcade emulators, MAME. It facilitates localized synchronized localized input for localized online multiplayer in legacy localized 2D games. Now that the technicals are covered, let's run the official installer. Since Kaillera Client Library DLL is an embedded part of the Kaillera architecture, you should perform a clean reinstall of the application that triggered the message to ensure all proprietary components are restored to their proper paths. If a standard reinstallation doesn't restore the library, we need to verify if the system environment is properly recognizing the new components. Performing a restart can determine if the error is just a transient environment glitch. A reboot refreshes your system's path variables and can sometimes re-establish a broken link to the Kaillera Client Library file. Bookmark this video or click the like button now so that you have a shortcut back to this guide after your PC finishes restarting. Now that the system has rebooted, if the issue persists, let's move on to our next level of troubleshooting. Feel free to pause the video if you need a moment. Since the restart didn't fix the network DLLs, let's run the reset commands to refresh the protocol stack. Open command prompt as admin, then run these two commands. First, type n.etsh space int space ip space reeset, then hit enter. Second, type n.etsh space winsock space reset, then hit enter again. Why are we doing this? Well, network protocols rely on a clean data path. This reset flushes corrupted socket entries and clears the cached routing manifests that often prevent these DLLs from communicating. To protect your system architecture, I have a few recommendations regarding file authenticity. Keep in mind that Kaillera Client Library DLL must be properly synchronized with the Windows registry. Simply dragging and dropping a file rarely addresses the root cause of the initialization failure. Managing these dependencies can be streamlined by using a specialized diagnostic utility to monitor your system state. If registry clutter or Kaillera Client Library inconsistencies are suspected, the maintenance tool below offers general documentation. Thank you for watching. To continue receiving professional-grade solutions for Kaillera Client Library and other PC errors, please subscribe to our support community.